Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given question x squared minus y squared, which is equal to x minus y squared. Solution: by copy what we have x squared minus y squared is equals to x minus y squared. And of course here we are supposed to find the value of x and y. Right. The first one, we're going to use the first method where we can try to separate this difference of two squares, x squared minus y squared, where we shall say x minus y times x plus y is equals to, and we are going to separate this equation we have right here, where we have x minus y times x minus y. Right at this stage, where we should have here, we shall divide x minus y because x minus y is common, right? And then this and this will be cancelled, and this will be cancelled, to get x plus y is equals to x minus y by grouping right terms, x plus y minus x minus y will be 0, and of course x plus y minus x, right? Then here negative times negative equals to plus 0, and of course x minus y here plus y minus x plus y will be 0. This and this will be cancelled to get 2y is equals to 0, and of course y will be 0. When you use this formula, you get only single equation, so you have to use another one, or we can say here x squared minus y squared will be x minus y squared. And of course here we have x minus y, x plus y will be, by expanding this equation you shall get x squared here minus 2xy, then plus y squared. And of course here we have x minus y and x plus y, right? Then here by grouping like terms, minus x squared minus y squared plus 2xy will be 0, right? Okay, now this one also we shall get x squared minus y squared minus x squared minus y squared plus 2xy will be 0. Of course this one and this will be cancelled. This one and this we shall get negative 2y squared plus 2xy, which is equal to 0, and of course we shall factorize negative 2y to get, then here we have y plus x, which is equal to 0, right, at this stage. But here we have minus in order to bring positive 1. Okay, and of course here we have negative 2y, which is equal to 0, or y minus x is equals to 0. At this stage we have y which is equal to 0, or y equals to x. So if y equals to 0 and y is equal to x, then x will be 0. And of course here I have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given x squared minus y squared is equals to x minus y squared. And of of course this is 0 squared minus 0 squared is equals to 0 then minus 0 squared. Of course this is 0 which is equal to 0. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.